Do you want to know how you can delete your chats in Bing AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete your previous chats in Bing AI. Go ahead and open Bing AI, which is on your phone, and then go to Copilot. Now, click on the three lines which you can see on the top left hand corner and click on the chat. And then what you need to do is click on the three lines which you can see on the top right hand corner of your screen. Let me show it to you once again, guys. Go ahead and click Copilot, click on the three lines and click on the chat or prompt which you want to delete. So go ahead and click on the three lines which you can see on the right hand side and you can see the delete option. Go ahead and click delete and you can see that your previous chat has been deleted. This was a video on how you can delete your chats in Bing AI. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.